Hello guys, welcome back to Guru the Guru. And this week we're going to be dealing with an automation for Jenkins into Terraform. So what I basically want to do is I want to deploy an nginx deployment using Terraform but from Jenkins. So I'm doing this because you might find that as a DevOps engineer you have to automate some processes, like you want to spin up a quick application to test something, so you just have to have the script on Jenkins and then just build, and instead of writing up everything all along. So let's just go ahead, and if you've not watched the other videos on Jenkins, you can just click the button above there and you'll be able to access them. So without further ado, let's get going. So once you have logged in into Jenkins, just go to manage Jenkins, and then on plugins you need a Terraform plugin. So come to the available, just type in Terraform. So mine will not be available here because I've already installed it, so you will find it on installed. So let's go to Terraform, so you can see. So ensure you have installed the plugin, and then the next step after that is let's go back to manage Jenkins, and then on global tool configuration, just check at the bottom you'll find Terraform. So from there you just check the installation. You can either install automatically, but for me I'm using the directory path. So I already have my server with me, and there's just the terminal. It's nothing too huge. So there's the terminal. I'm just let me find where Terraform is. I've already actually run it, so I want to use the /ucr /bin. That is where Terraform is. So with that, I just place the path there, and then I just save. So the first two steps are done. So you have to install the plugin, and then the second one you have to put in the directory path for Terraform. So the next step is to create your pipeline. So go to new item. For us is an nginx Terraform pipeline, so we can name it I like using the names, so nginx automation pipeline. So with that, not a free project. Remember last week we dealt with the difference between freestyle projects and pipelines, and we found that pipelines are more robust than the freestyle projects. So use the pipeline. So if you have not checked that video also, you can just click above and you'll be able to find the video. So let's go ahead, just click OK, and then after that go to pipeline. So from here what we do is you can just have the basic syntax first of all for a pipeline. So pipeline, then agent is just any agent any, and then from there we're going to use the pipeline syntax. So let me just open a new tab, so it should be this one. So from here go to declarative directive generator, and then from here find what do I need? I need the tools. I need to find Terraform. So Terraform 1.2, just as I added on the other side, and then just generate that and copy that. So let's go back, let's get back. So here I need that in. You can do some aesthetic cleanup, so just do that there. And then what is the next thing? I need now the stages, I believe so. Yeah, I need the stages, and the stages should have stage what stage? We need a git checkout, so we need a git checkout. So the git checkout, I need steps. That should be right. Let me go back to the pipeline syntax, then on snippet generator. What do I need? I need git. Let me find git somewhere. Git. it. There you go. So I have a public repo with the what we're going to deploy today. So let me find GitHub, my GitHub. There you go. I need that repository. I need my repositories. It's a public one. This one, Docker Terraform. So here you go. I need this URL. So I just copy the URL and then I go back. My mouse is a bit tricky, so I paste that URL here. And then it's a master branch, and then if you have not added your credentials, just click on Jenkins and then you have your username and your password there. But because I already have mine, I'll just click on cancel. Then I'll find them. So my Terraform nginx password, and I need to generate that. So I'll copy this. Then we can go back. So the git checkout. So that should be alright. I need the next stage. Next stage. This one is for Terraform init, just as you do it with Terraform. So the Terraform website is this one on Terraform. So you can also find the link in the description. So just go to Terraform. You'll be able to download. They have, for example, for Linux, they show you how to download and add. They have the tutorials. So actually, the tutorial I'm using for the nginx is the one that they are offering on tutorials. So you can also check that out. So let me go back. So Terraform init. I need to get rid of this. Let me go back. I don't think we need that again. So you come back here. What do I need? Not on the snippet generator, but on on snippet generator. I need the shell script. Shell script. There you go. So I need that. I just need Terraform init. That is usually the first one to initialize and download all the providers. That is what they call them in Terraform, providers. So I need that there. And then the next step is to apply Terraform apply. So for this one will be Terraform apply and then auto approve, because you don't want it to have the pop-up. There is a pop-up that comes up after you do Terraform init, and then you go to Terraform apply. There's a pop-up that comes up to ask you to continue yes or no. So I do not want that. I just want it to go to yes directly. Yeah, so I believe I have not missed anything, because we have the pipeline, we have agent, we have the tools, we have the stage. We need a checkout, we need an init, and we need an apply. So let me save these. And I don't know why I closed GitHub, and I should show you what we are running. Let me just click on it. The repositories, it's a public repo. I'm also going to share the link. So this is the main TF. So you can see it's just I have the providers. This is Docker, then the Docker provider, and then I have the nginx image, and then just an internal port and an external port. I hope that port is empty. We can just check before we go ahead. So sudo docker ps. Yeah, so I'm not using that port, so that's all right. Let's go right ahead and build this and see what happens. So I can just open it and let's go to the console output so we can check. So we can see this has gone to the repository, credentials are okay, first build, because remind you when necessary, goes through docker created. So we are in nginx creating, so just give it a moment, should not take that long. Still creating. So guys, these things they're things that we utilize in our work, but we try to share out there. That is why we started this channel, to be able to share what we are doing on a daily basis. Not really what we do in the company exactly, but at least we share with upcoming developers or people who are trying to get into DevOps and programming, what we do, so they can get a feel of our job and also appreciate what we do. So it's complete, as you can see, successfully. So if you went to the server and did the developer ps, I should get, yeah, about a minute ago, up 31 seconds, we have a container named tutorial, which is running on port 8089, because you remember internally I said 80 and then outside I said 8089. Yeah, so you can see that 8089, there you go. So let's go to the browser and check. Let me first check my port here. icon.com. So I just need this, the IP address, and then I need the IP address at port 8089. So yeah, you can see welcome to nginx. That is all I wanted to show. So guys, for another application you'd use the same process. So you just need to set up your UTF file on Terraform and all the requirements that the providers, and then you can build your pipeline using Jenkins, and in no time you can spin up any environment, you can spin up any application or anything that you want. So that is all from me, guys, for this week. And if you have not checked out all the other videos on Jenkins, just click above, and if you have any comments, also put them in the comment section and we're going to follow up. Have a great week ahead, guys. Bye bye.